you have the forgiveness of Allah, you have the love of Allah. If you have the forgiveness of Allah and you are seeking it, it shows you are linked with Allah. It shows you are bothered about Allah. You are concerned about your relationship with Him. You believe in Him. Why would I ask for forgiveness from Allah if I did not believe in Him? Why would I ask for forgiveness if I was not concerned about the hereafter? Seeking forgiveness goes to show you have a worry about the hereafter. So it shows that you are a mu'min and you have iman. You have belief in you. To seek forgiveness after your sin is actually a sign that you're a true believer. إِذَا سَرَّتْكَ حَسَنَتُكَ وَسَاءَتْكَ سَيِّئَتُكَ فَأَنْتَ مُؤْمِنٌ. When your good deed makes you happy and your bad deed makes you sad, it is a sign that you are a true believer. Subhanallah. It is a sign that you are a true believer.
Allah.